Everyone tells you to pay off your smallest debt first. They call it the debt snowball. They say it's about the psychology of winning. But here is the cold, hard truth. That is the slowest way to get rich. In fact, following that advice could be costing you thousands of dollars in wasted interest. I've spent weeks running simulations on hundreds of different debt scenarios. From high-interest credit cards to suffocating student loans, the math never lies. Today, we aren't just talking theory. We are running a real-life simulation to pit these two methods against each other. We'll show you exactly how much more money stays in your pocket and how many months sooner you actually hit zero. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact strategy to kill your debt fast and start building actual wealth. Let's get into the numbers. Most people follow the debt snowball. You know the drill. Pay the smallest balance first. Get a win. Feel good. But here's the truth, that win is a lie. While you're celebrating that tiny $500 balance being gone, your $10,000 loan at 24% interest is eating you alive. It's like plugging a leak in your sink while the basement is flooding. Every month you ignore the high interest rates, you're paying a stupidity tax to the banks. You think you're making progress because the number of accounts is dropping, but your total balance, it's barely moving. That's the trap. The snowball prioritizes your feelings over your math. And in the world of wealth building, feelings are expensive. You aren't just losing money, you're losing time. Time you could be spending investing in the S&P 500. Time you could be building a passive income stream. Instead, you're trapped in a cycle of small wins, while the interest monster grows bigger every single day. It feels like you're running on a treadmill. You're exhausted, you're working hard, but you're still in the exact same place. So you're stuck with high-interest debt and want to pay it off fast. The debt snowball method is popular, but it's not the best way. It's time to challenge the status quo. The debt snowball method involves paying off the smallest balance first, while making minimum payments on larger debts. But this method can cost you more in interest over time. Let's compare it to the debt avalanche method. The debt avalanche method involves paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on other debts. This method can save you thousands of dollars in interest. We've run a simulation to see which method comes out on top. Our simulation assumes you have three debts: a credit card with a $2,000 balance and 18% interest rate, a student loan with a $10,000 balance and 6% interest rate, and a personal loan with a $5,000 balance and 12% interest rate. You want to pay off these debts in 3 years. Using the debt snowball method, you'll pay a total of $13,441. But if you use the debt avalanche method, you'll pay a total of $12,641. That's a difference of $800. The debt avalanche method saves you $800 in interest. But that's not all. If you invest the money you save in interest, you can earn even more. Let's say you invest the $800 you save in a high-yield savings account earning 4% interest. Over time, that $800 can grow to over $1,000. Now, imagine if you had more debt and could save even more in interest. The debt avalanche method can save you thousands of dollars in interest. It's time to ditch the debt snowball method and start using the debt avalanche method. You can also use balance transfer credit cards or debt consolidation loans to simplify your payments and save on interest. And with budgeting software like YNAB, you can track your progress and stay on top of your finances. Don't let debt hold you back. Start using the debt avalanche method today and take control of your finances. So what's the verdict? The debt avalanche saves you over $1,000 in interest payments. If you're struggling with high-interest debt, consider a balance transfer credit card or consolidating with a loan provider like our partners at. You can also use budgeting software like YNAB to track your expenses. Take control of your finances and start saving money today. Click the link below to check out our recommended tools and start your debt-free journey.